Good morning, everyone. Your task today while I am out is to do the first pro section of your outline. This video will show you how to do that. It is literally about 4 sentences, so the expectation is that you can complete that in 45 minutes. If for some reason you don't finish it, then you need to do it on your remote day. There is also a Lexia assignment. Please spend 15 minutes on Lexia on your remote day. So you should already be on this page K outline, and you need to click the first button that says click here to open your outline template. Once that window opens, you can click My Document, and then you can click Edit. The outline that opens should look like this, except you've already completed your introduction section. You are going to scroll down to Roman numeral 4 that says Pros, Claims, First Argument in favor of your side. Go ahead and pause this video to make sure that you are there. The next thing that you need to do is you need to make your way to your notes page. Okay? Letter F, notes page. Today you're going to be focusing in on your pro number 1, your factual arguments for your topic. Okay? So the first step is to go ahead and copy and paste that sentence into your outline. This is where you're going to put it, right next to pros, claims, first argument in favor of your side. You'll want to make sure it's a nice complete sentence with a capital letter at the beginning and a period at the end. Go ahead and pause this video to do that. The next thing you need to include is your evidence. So go back to your notes page. For all of you, I have highlighted your pros in different colors. Okay? So take a look at the color that your first pro is highlighted in. Then go ahead and scroll up to your chart and you will see some evidence highlighted in a corresponding color. So my first pro is about eating junk food over healthy food. And I have a couple of pieces of evidence I could use. Okay? I'm going to pick this first piece of evidence. So I'm going to copy this sentence. And I'm going to paste it next to letter A. My spacing is a little bit off, but I can fix that later. Not a big deal. Now, here's the thing. You did not come up with that evidence on your own. You read it in an article. So at the end of that sentence, you need to put a citation. Okay? So you're going to put an open parenthesis. And here's where it gets a little bit tricky. My evidence came from Article 4. Okay? So I have to go back to Article 4 and see what the title of that article was. And on the bottom of your outline, remember you have your works cited. Okay? So I remember that Article 4 came from this source. Okay? So what I need to do is I need to copy and paste the last name of that author into my parentheses. So that was the first word of the citation, okay, is the last name of the author. I'm going to put it in parentheses after my sentence that includes my evidence. Go ahead and pause the video, and if you need help with that, you can raise your hand and ask the sub or Mrs. Hirschfield. The next step is that you need to explain this evidence. Okay, so my whole paragraph is about why people might eat junk food over healthy food and why it's important that they choose healthy food, right? So I need to explain what's happening. So when people choose unhealthy food, they are setting themselves up to gain weight and be less healthy. Okay. Now my quote was about how eating healthy can help you lose weight and you can also work out, right? So if a person chooses to eat healthy and also work out, they can achieve a healthy weight. Okay. So I just simply explained what's going on in the quote and what my first point is. Okay. So those are the 4 sentences that need to be included in your pro number 1. Okay. Once you've completed this task, you could move on to do your 15 minutes on Lexia.